Welcome back to Grow Joyfully. It's 68 degrees here where I live, and it's 11:40 in the morning. Amazing. I hear so many more birds and wildlife and things around. This feels completely different. It's supposed to be 70 tomorrow. Feels like a totally different place. I'm so excited. Let's go feed the animals. The girls are so anxious to get out. I brought them lots of snacks. They're so excited to be able to get out here in the sunshine. Yeah, I am too. I totally understand. Okay, time to feed them their scratch and go feed the rooster. Even though they have lots of yummy snacks, they still want their scratch. There you go. Hi, Mrs. Puffyhead. Good morning, George. I know you're going to love this bread. I think you really, really love the bread treats. Oh, the girls want some too. Okay. Now they come running over to the bread. Oh, you guys are so spoiled. Bread treats. Scratch. Scraps from the house. My goodness. They're going back and forth from one treat to the other. There you go. So nummy. George is thrilled too. He's eating his treat right up. Time to get him fed. It's time to feed Hopper. Hey buddy, how are you? Oh yeah, there's all your treats. Oh, nummy, 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 nummy. We'll get you some hay now. Hopper is gonna love this. It's mostly alfalfa leaves. Are you loving that, buddy? Okay, he has his waters and his food and his bunny treats and his hay, and he is a happy, happy boy. Okay, George, you're all fed and watered, and I hope you have a fabulous day, buddy. I've got to fill up the girls' hopper. Time to clean the hens' water. Okay, the chickens are all watered. Collect their eggs and then go get some more straw because they've eaten it mostly. So far today. Hello there, Mrs. Fluffyhead. What you doing? There we go. That'll make a nice little nest. There we go. Okay. The animals are all fed and the eggs collected, and there's Lucy in the shade under the trampoline. Time to put up the eggs, get my hands washed, and go out to the greenhouse. Okay, you ready to go out to the greenhouse? Come on, let's go. I'm going to go out there and open up both windows. We have 3 windows that open, but for now I think 2 windows will be sufficient to open up and keep things from getting too hot. Now it's 62 degrees outside at 12:15. And it is about 77 degrees in the greenhouse, so I really need to open up the windows. So I'm going to go and see my elderly friend. She has had a very difficult loss. On Thursday, she had to put her beloved dog down, and that was her company and her friend in her world. So I'm going to go down and visit her. Then I'm going to go up to my third son's house and go see those little grandbabies and give them hugs and kisses. So I was able to get some Paul Robeson's potted up. So this whole tray, I think, is Paul Robeson's. Again, they are a very beautiful, versatile tomato. They're a indeterminate beefsteak, and I'll show you the color. This is what the Paul Robesons look like. They're just beautiful. They have green shoulders and kind of a brick-colored flesh. They look very similar to Cherokee Purple or Black Crim, but I believe they have a little more red in the flesh. They're an amazing tomato. I've grown this for about at least 5 years when I heard about it from Jess at Roots and Refuge. She's got a lot of great tomato videos on there, and I encourage you to go check them out. The sweet peas are coming along. Look how thickly I planted them. That's because I'm crazy about them. You see the little ladybugs going around and eating all the naughty bugs like aphids? My daughter told me that with the sweet peas, if you cut it, I think it was like here, and I already did that one, down lower, then they will thicken up and send out side shoots and be much fuller instead of just so long and climby, because they're a vining flower. Aren't they beautiful? Here's a Thorburns terracotta, just growing so well. They look so dark and nice. Thanks to Miss Krista at Almost Off-Grid Grandma, of course. And an outbreak of ladybugs. Now these are the good ones. They're the dark red ones, and they have very little white on their face, and we want these. Maybe some people would be creeped out by having them in their greenhouse, but believe me, they're going to eat aphids and all sorts of awful buggies. So I just thought I'd share that with you. You see them right there? There they are. They're in this window, they're on the wall, they're in this window. And no, they do not scare me or bother me. They are very beneficial insects. So I will leave this video here, and I will wish you a wonderful day, and don't forget to do it joyfully. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for stopping by.